call screening stopped working on iOS 26, here's a quick fix in 1 minute. First, open Settings, tap Phone, then call screening and check the toggle is on. If it's on, toggle it off, wait 3 seconds, then toggle it back on. Next, check focus or do not disturb and make sure calls are allowed or disable the focus briefly. Also inspect any third-party call blocking apps and grant them permission in settings. If problems persist, restart your iPhone. A quick reboot often fixes glitches. Make sure iOS is up to date by going to Settings, General, Software Update, and installing any updates. Reset network settings as a last resort via Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset network settings. Contact your carrier if calls are still screened incorrectly so they can check any network filters. For a clean test, try a different SIM or enable Wi-Fi calling on another network to compare behavior. Quick recap: toggle call screening, check focus, update iOS, review call apps, restart, and reset if needed. That's it, thanks for watching. Follow the on-screen captions for step-by-step taps and subscribe for more quick fixes.